It is July on Norton, and I'm in downtown Minneapolis making video of fireworks during the Aquatennial event. It's fucking exciting to make these kinds of videos. Going for 15 minutes to the grand finale would be happening. It's going to be coming up soon. That was the grand finale. And it's over, unfortunately. Interesting fireworks, especially at the end. When I saw the Ridgefield fireworks last year, they lasted for close to a half hour. So, there's the new 30 Erta IW bridge. The old one collapsed nearly 11 years ago. There's the Stone Arch Bridge. Trons used to go down that bridge a long time ago. You used to be able to ride a Tron over that bridge, and Trons are fucking cool, but they don't have Trons over there anymore. But that fucking sucks. They never had Trons in there since I've been in Murderapolis. And then the gold medal flower place. And then luxury apartments for yuppie fucking scum who have more money than they deserve. And that's basically, it's night. That's about all I could see of downtown Murderapolis.
Yeah.
So, I wanted to show the fireworks end.
Did you like it? Jonathan, did you like the fireworks? Yeah, it was pretty.
Well, it's dark out. I got a fairly good low light quality. Not perfect, low light quality camera, far from it. As I'm on my way back home now. It's over. Wonder if there's any other interesting things to get. Downtown Murderapolis is all that way, but you can't see it. The buildings are blocking it. Well, I don't know how long I should keep the video going. The fireworks are fucking cool though. I'm gonna get to the downtown Murderapolis skyline. As I'm heading back. Oh my.
Hey, look at the elevator, guys. Look at the elevator.
Oh my god, there's so many fucking people here. Oh god. Well, trying to get towards. Oh god, I guess I'm gonna go this way.
I knew you.
Oh, they even have an ambulance. I guess no one needed it. There's a lot of people here.
So we don't know this place down.
Oh god, it's still too fucking hot out though. A cold front's supposed to be coming through.
It's not a vase, it's not a vase. It's up the sword.
Not as bad as some summer nights can be, but warmer than I care for.
Thank you. stresses her out.
I'm gonna go this way, away from the crowd. The fucking traffic is horrible. People should take a Tron to the fireworks. All this gridlock. I just love this gridlock after this big event. Oh, there's the downtown Murderopolis skyline right there. Well, the video is getting kind of long, so I think I'm just going to go and stop. So the fireworks video will be in 2 parts. And I don't get to the Aquatennial thing very long. Very often. I don't think I've gone here in 5 years.
Go!
Oh God. A lot of gridlock. Yeah, I'm just gonna go stop the video.